The Corsair Nightsaber is designed with style, with its dazzling 7-zone RGB backlighting as well as speed with its Corsair Marksman 26K DPI optical sensor, Corsair Quick Strike buttons with optical switches, and an ultra-fast connection with up to 2000Hz hyperpolling over Slipstream Wireless. The Nightsaber can be used wired with the included USB Type-C cable, wirelessly thanks to Corsair Slipstream, and over Bluetooth for maximum compatibility. Simply toggle the switch over to the desired operating mode. For Slipstream, you can either use the included wireless receiver, or pair the mouse alongside a wireless Corsair Slipstream-compatible keyboard and headset to a single receiver. To pair the Nightsaber to a Bluetooth device, press and hold the DPI up button, and toggle the power/wireless mode switch to the BT position. Then follow the instructions on your device to complete pairing over Bluetooth. Nightsaber has 5 different DPI stages that can be cycled through using the DPI up or down buttons. The indicator on the top will change to reflect which stage you've selected. You can further adjust the DPI in iCUE, but if you need to adjust the DPI while you're in-game, you can tweak the currently selected DPI stage up or down in increments of 50. To slightly increase DPI, hold the DPI up button and press the forward button. The indicator will blink green. To slightly decrease the DPI, hold the DPI up button and press the back button. The indicator will now blink red. If you want to revert to the original setting for the DPI stage you're currently set to, hold the DPI up, then both the forward and back buttons for 2 seconds. The indicator will now blink yellow. On-the-fly DPI adjustments are saved to the onboard memory if iCUE isn't running. Otherwise, these adjustments will be saved to your currently active profile in iCUE. You can customize the lighting on the Nightsaber by opening up Corsair iCUE and going to Lighting Effects. You can add multiple lighting layers using a variety of lighting types and assign them to any of the 7 zones on the mouse. If you wish to save a custom lighting effect to the Nightsaber's onboard memory, go to Hardware Lighting, repeat the process, and save the profile to Nightsaber's onboard memory. Nightsaber also features full support for iCUE murals for even more advanced lighting that syncs across your setup. If you wish to add a custom remap to one of the Nightsaber's buttons, go to Key Assignments. Here, you'll be able to quickly see which buttons are remappable on the Nightsaber. To add a key assignment, simply hit the plus button, select an assignment type, map it to a button on the mouse, and configure it as needed. If you'd like to have a custom key assignment available for Bluetooth mode, or when connected to a PC without iCUE, simply repeat the process in Hardware Key Assignments, and save the profile to Nightsaber's onboard memory. Finally, going to Device Settings lets you toggle on-the-fly DPI adjustment, tweak the brightness, adjust power and sleep settings, as well as angle snapping, lift height, and button response. And if you've set up Hardware Key Assignments or Hardware Lighting, the Device Settings menu allows you to save up to 5 profiles to the Nightsaber's onboard memory when connected over USB, so you can pull them up wherever you take your Nightsaber with you. And that's it for setting up the Corsair Nightsaber. Thanks for watching.